Okay, April, you have a present. You need to open it.
Okay.
Open the card first. Open the card first.
So this is a big card. I got a bumblebee on it.
What? Okay, what does it say?
It's number 4.
Oh, because you're turning 4, huh?
See?
Open it up. What does it say? It's cake and ice cream, games to play. It's all for you. You're 4 today. Have a great birthday. Uncle Price, Auntie Robin, Seth, Ryan, and Ashley.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. What did you get?
I got little Angry Birds.
What?
Oh, and oh look, I got even one. Wait, one. And this one. And this one. And this one.
Wow, hold them up. Let me see. Do they make noises? What does the blue one do? What do you say?
Thank you. I love you.
You like them?
Yeah, I love them. This is one. This one. Wait, they're all the same.
The tags are the same, huh?
This is like, and this one's from Rio.
Mm-hmm.
See? Rio, the Rio. Right.
Do you like them?
Yeah. I better go show the other bird. I love you, and thank you. I better show the other angry bird. He may have loved him.